All right, you welcome back, Master Talk Talk. Now you still the time. Don't be sure to continue on top within day hot, but you wait there out there. Enter Twitter at Talk Talk Wazobia. Put your mouth inside our first story where concern links and the ideal woman. Now, our second story for today, we want to enter inside India. Now, one Indian woman, we done the piece for inside her in-law cup of tea. Every day for a year, they don't catch her as she they do this badness. They say they catch her when her mother-in-law waka enter inside kitchen. Because see, I say she they squat. They do it in the piece for inside their teapot. Their teapot. Her name, Nareka Nagvanshi. And at 30 years now she be. They say, according by the information we get, they say she don't they fed up with the way her in-laws they treat her. They say initially she waka come up for the house. She decides say she not they stay there because now arranged marriage they do. She don't born one pikin, but she decides say she not go stay. So her husband can't go beg her, say, I beg, come back to the house now. She can't give the husband ultimatum. Say, if I want to come back to the house, you must they help me do the housework, massage my leg, and plenty other things. Now she give the man to do. Say the man go even they cook. But when she come back house, the mother-in-law and the father-in-law, they tell the man, say, make the man stop to do slave for the girl. Make it stop to do the housework and all the other things then where they agree. So this one come make her vex where they say Nagvanshi say she can't vex for her in-laws. Say they stop her husband, make her husband stop to help her with some household chores for inside the house, where they share for inside Pradesh, according to the report. Now they don't baba say she did peace for inside their pot of tea. But her in-laws don't talk say they want justice. They come outside, quote this particular one. They say you cannot urinate into someone's tea for a year and get away with it. Now with your mother-in-law come outside talk. I just want to ask Una, if now you find that say your sister-in-law they do this kind of badness for inside the house where they stay, what thing you go do?
We no go police station.
Go piss your back, you go drink her.
She go drink everybody pissing.
For 1 whole year, she no go drink water for that house.
Hey!
One of us gonna carry rubber come up.
Hey!
As you piss and come back,
You are drinking
it. Five straw give her. She go drink am for a whole year. Yeah. And you see, Indians they get the culture of living together.
Yes, now.
Now arranging marriage, that means maybe the in-laws, everybody did inside the house. So she don't come tire. Like, and again for them, if they marry you, divorce. For another person to marry, except your husband marry, now you go 50 person will go remarry you. But say you divorce, it is very difficult. So maybe now she can't look and say, you know, okay, these people now drink peace. And the tea, oh sure.
See, people, you go even do flavor for her. You know, say they tell us say if you put water inside cup, just put lime. So when the peas don't enter inside cup, put lime. Tell her say we want to satisfy you very well. Put lime. You want drink her every day.
She they look us when we they drink our own peace. We're gonna look at when she they drink our peace.
I can imagine you supposed to drink tea and drink.
See,
I go suffer.
See,
And they sip and they go.
you see, stupid people.
Nonsense people. Drink.
Mommy, do you want more? Yes.
But this they smell now. How come they not smell now?
No, maybe she did mix them with tea. She'll come boil them together. But the smell go they awful.
It
But
could be
because
smell.
Indians they like
Plenty
plenty
spice.
Maybe she feel they burn insect around, so they don't even know the collabo of this.
If you don't make belly, they tell me.
They don't drink malaria.
Peace. I can imagine when she they sick.
Belly just they turn me for this.
Or when she did her.
Oh,
No, don't go there. This lady was drinking this for 1 year.
Now don't make her worse. You don't do. You don't do. She have do her worse. I don't get plenty to talk. And she talk her. In fact, I don't know what I go do you.
Avocado
You
syrup.
what I want to do? You sit down. Your mind carry you. You carry my tea because I say make my son no do slave for you. Why you go marry my son turn out to slave? You marry her because what is I do slave? Why you enter my house? Of which I know say for India now you go come beg say my son marry you. My son come manage marry you.
Not really manage.
You I now because you no wan marry you carry all the gold and everything say son please marry me. He marry you finish say no you wan use and do boy for house. Is that it sir?
So what do you go do?
She go waka come out and make she dey go now.
You say now make she come out like that, she don't give her peace for 1 year job.
No, she be police go enter matter.
No, police don't leave her go.
I go.
They don't separate now. Police not attack her.
Tell me police come arrest am.
Don't drink. The peace not kill you now.
I now we not die now.
So your letter does go.
Police go.
Maka is a good Samaritan.
But not be matter of good Samaritan. You know, say this thing, it can't remind me of waiting they happen when I been there secondary school. You know, say all those wicked seniors. Then for my secondary school, all these things like noodles and cooked things, now like contraband. But we get staff, teachers, where they cook all those things for their houses. Then for night, when juniors supposed to sleep, maybe around 8, 9, they'll come call you, Jew girl, they'll come give you money, give you coolers, maybe you go cook the noodles for inside the matron house or house mistress house, because then they collect maybe like 20 naira to cook. You can't go do when the junior they come and go put sand inside, yes, so I go spit inside, so I go piece put inside. So I just remember all those days for school. When I become senior girl, I make sure say I no said anybody or anybody where I want said, I go make sure say now what to go chop. Now my junior paddy, I go tell you after you want shop or you go buy them. That one you know say now what to go buy them. But for this situation, if na me be with the in-laws where people say she don't do this kind of thing, she don't do and you give them another piece. For a whole year, she not go drink them. You drink and you know you don't already drink them.
You don't
so
digest.
Nothing, you don't digest. So nothing where you want to do. The highest thing with me, I go do because say she don't already do that kind of thing. Person will go do that kind of thing for a year. And I mean say your heart stay very deep and you feel kill. So I go just say me you come out my house, make another badness, no for repeat itself.
Because if you do
now the highest thing I want to do. If police carry you, the piece still there inside my blood.
Okay.
If I go Babalawo, the piece still there inside my blood.
Okay.
So the highest thing, just carry your wahala. They go. She been a piece, carry your piece. They go your papa house.
No, me yes, I actually agree with you. Talk yes, she go carry everything go papa, but before she go that day she go drink everybody.
Drink everybody piece.
You sure if we get animal, all those no, make she taste some. No, it's very sweet.
Yes.
It's very sweet.
It's tea.
She go taste no, definitely not. She's evil, so she go house. But you cannot go out like that. Now morning, afternoon, and evening piece. Now she go drink that day. Then in the night we go cook her, take her go her own house. But she must to drink that piece.
No, but she go drink piece.
No, she go drink piece.
No, she'll drink piece.
All these Edo people.
She go
not be Edo people matter.
It's not Edo.
She go drink peace.
Peace?
I beg drink peace, oh.
Queen B and Uwi, remind me, say me I no offend you, now take a big. If I want offend you, remind me, say no baby, no make me vex, I go just comport.
You know what I feel do right.
If you drink peace, so.
You don't remind me.
But I just remember one of my junior years then, one senior sent her, me she go make tea for her.
She spit.
She spit inside.
I just make you remember one of my.
I don't go know.
I want to talk my own days now. Please let me talk my own.
You don't go to school, go rest.
You just be part of my own days.
What do you do?
She don't get this.
One junior tell the senior make go cook beans.
We just like to lie. There's a federal liar. Now you
all those poto.
Hey! You don't say that national television you do.
So now I can't go for this coming.
And she don't go now. It's your water.
We don't drink. And it's very sweet beans.
All right, you go know that one because it go smell.
No, you don't smell. You
cooker. Look about the smell. I'm ready to the next story. What's the next story now?
Don't put seafood, don't put everything now.
Pizza there.
Don't put curry, everything don't cover this.
Did they put curry for beans?
They go put at this time, they go put curry. You're going to eat pizza. Why is there curry? Oh, curry is the new thing to put this.
That's the in thing.
That's the in. Okay. All right, but you were there. Tell us what you think about this woman. We don't go put peace. We don't peace inside their pot of tea for 1 year.
Oh yeah.
If now you find out say your in-law do this kind of badness to now, waiting you go do that your in-law. Waiting you go do your in-law. My producer said nothing, but you were there out there. Waiting you go actually do. Enter Twitter at @TalkTalkWazobia. Go put your mouth inside them. Now our next story.
I just think another angle.
I think another angle.
What if the in-laws can't go hospital? They can't say actually that piece don't they preserve their life? They're supposed to not
don't call her back. Say I come and tap All right, our next story. This one concerns today na real life issues day, and this one are actually real life issues. It concerns one small girl, 17 years old, where they trapped I tell you 107, but really now 104 years, according to waiting medical people don't put together. They say she did trapped in 104 years old body, but now she don't buy. You know, waiting for us to talk more, we could need to just watch this video, and then when we come back, we go talk one or two things on top of.
Since 2002, we've been following the story of Hayley Okines. Hayley has a rare condition called progeria. There are only 54 known cases in the world.
My mum told me that it's like my body ages 8 times faster than normal children.
Hayley may be aging in fast forward, but what no one back in 2002 imagined was that science would move at a similar pace.
From having no hope at all in the beginning to now being given this new drug, it's just amazing.
When we last saw Hayley, that new drug had only been tested on mice. So she was heading to America to test it for real.
We've basically been told that Hayley is a guinea pig.
Made over 3 years, this film continues Hayley's remarkable story during an exciting period in her life. She is ready to finish primary school, but can a tiny tot, with a body in its 90s, cope in the less forgiving world of secondary school?
Everyone seemed really big and then tiny.
And with her revolutionary treatment in America ongoing, can she look forward to a life beyond it?
All right. That's not the story of this particular girl, 17 years old, where they trapped in 104 years old body, and now she don't buy a name. Now Ali Okines. Yeah, they say before her death, she don't do different documentaries. Now, according to BBC, they come outside talking. Now, mother Kerry now actually announced say she don't die on Thursday night. She writes on top the Medium say my baby has gone somewhere better. Now, Ali, before she actually died, she talked, say, I don't feel like I am 96. Now, waiting, she talked several years ago before she died. She say, everyone say I'm like all my friends and stuff. They say, how old are you really? I'm like, I'm 12. Now, waiting, she talk. Because they know they believe her say you're 12. They believe her say, come, you're like 128, 96 years old. But she just accepts her situation and every other thing. May I so rest in perfect peace. What do you think about this girl's bravery? Like even with the situation, she still accept the fact, say, yes, I get deformity, but I'm not gonna let her weigh me down.
This one bring me back to the fact, say today na Motivational Monday, because one go actually reason real life issues. Sorry. Real life issues, because you take me back to Motivational Monday, because we actually need motivation for our everyday lives. And then for this girl with the situation, the condition where she did, she not still let that one stop her. I know say if now some certain people then go decide say, oh, you know it's with my look like this, I no want go school, I no want do this, I no want do that, but she know that one no stop her. She still they play for park, she still they go school, she still make sure say she finish primary, finish this, finish that. And a lot of people for inside this life maybe say then get everything normal, all their conditions they normal, then go sit down and say, okay, actually, my school fees remain 1,000 naira. For that reason, I know they go school. Hello. No, but that's the truth. We actually need to face what they call problem. We need to know what be problem and what be challenge. Yeah. Most of the things that we go through for life, no be actually problem. Now, just challenge where we say, if you look really deep, you go find solution where you actually feel you seek solve the challenge. So hello, people where they outside. I salute this girl bravery. I salute her parents, her family, where they not even abandon them or reject them, because I they imagine say this kind of thing they for inside Nigeria. They go say Jenny, hey. They go don't throw away the picking. But this one, they stand by the picking, they spend money, even when they know say if they possible say she no go survive, but they don't let that one stop and they still go the extra mile. Say, you know, it's in our picking, we born them and we go actually take care of this child. I salute their bravery, and I hope say God will give them another picking again. We go actually they normal this time around.
It's really it really break my heart. Say the picking come there at least. It to say the picking still there. Me, I know say like joy continue even though the trouble and all that. But I go say I get to hear about somebody over the week say because the child don't repeat school, secondary school, repeats the same class like 2-3 times. The parents decide to say make you quit school. Say make you go do another thing.
Just like that.
And I tried to make phone call to ask really, now what you wanna tell this pikin say make you stop be that. Okay, when I feel allow me take charge. And the mom say, no. Why can't waste away? Ni ma worry my dear. Mo so fun mo mo ko ti mo so ko le kàwé, ko lo kọ́ṣẹ́, ko lo ṣe kiri kan. Hey, don't give up. Now somebody come with his own deformity from heaven, like this one come and the parents support him. Mo be to ti work, but hey, they take charge. So when God can say, you know what, make her assist and carry this load. Because I just feel say God take her go better place. To take care of her better. Yes. Because they will always see themselves again. Well, to you, we give up on yourself based on because of small thing. You know, rich. You know, day enough. In short, not be even matter of say giving up. Now for you to continue. Yes.
You know, first of all, talk on top. Within better talk. You know, say if it's in Nigeria. When I still young, I remember say we get some kind of twins like that.
Okay.
Ide twins or something like that.
What they act those Yoruba movies?
Yes.
They still they know.
I never hear of them since then. Now make we just talk now. I know say and they use them act film. And those twins like this girl, they really age. When I young, I fear them. I say like, hey, what's in this? I don't believe them in human beings.
Yeah.
When I see them, if you see them, the only thing you go to make your mind like alien. You know, we watch alien film that time, so you could just believe say, these people are aliens. Where they come from? Waiting happen.
I'm very dark.
They're black. If you just say, waiting be this, your mind go first of all shake. Only God know how this girl take manage. If you see the video where she just tiny for the middle of, even she self not too happy, but she need to go school. She need to learn. I don't know whether these our twins been go school. I don't know, but they just use them do Yoruba film. That's for those ones. Then if I can't enter, let me talk again. Could we talk something about person where they come up from school say they still fail? In a way, I taste I support some kind of decision which some parents they make. Okay. If pikin go school, not be everybody supposed to go school. Now I believe with that. Because for people brain not just fit carry book. They are not just fit to learn. They're not just fit. They're not just fit try them. But when you give them skill, their hands, they're very good. Then they're very good with different skills. She not hair, she not makeup, Can you
find out how many years this became before? How many years
this boy is 14.
Is it possible?
No, but even for me,
is it possible?
Sorry to cut you short, but when it comes
there was no talent, no extra talent for this boy. If you get extra,
no, 14 is old. I feel 14 is old enough.
Yes,
to do something.
My own anger is if a child don't they tell you say, oh mommy, I did interested in fashion designing, or you don't see your child they pick clothes, they add to one thing for house, and you know they concentrate on education. Fine, your own are to advise and make sure say you try at least secondary school for around to, because even if you want to do that fashion designing now, they know they call them fashion designers again.
Yeah.
Now, Kato, this one, house of this, house of that. So you need to give them at least that basic education. Make it at least finish secondary school. Then when you allow him finish the secondary school, try, create effort so that the boy self not go give up on himself.
But how you want to finish secondary school when you're spending the money
every time?
Apart from that, the manner which you go take tell the child waiting you want tell him also matter. The way she talk with the woman say, this one already depressing already to the child.
Yeah. I went that part where she take to when she talks to the woman say, that one they very bad because she go make the pikin feel less of himself. Yeah. The pikin go just feel say, so if my mama fit tell me say, I don't.
When you tell, okay, man shock on wetin she talk. She say make the boy go learn printing press. I beg if you go the printing press, not be person will go school they do printing press because if they write something,
they go use the boy do house boy for them now.
My sister.
Well, make I shall come back to this girl matter now. I feel for the girl. I feel for the mother. I don't know how the mother brace herself up and everything because for you don't live with that pikin 17 years ago.
Yeah,
she don't really pikin 17. Only God know how many prayers she go down they pray to make this pikin come out of this thing, make this pikin they happy, make this pikin fit do this, make pikin. But at the end of the day, we go still talk am. God know best. Yeah. And as she use her mouth talk and say, my baby has gone to a better place.
Yes. I could tell you something, and the reason why this girl, for me, the reason why this girl actually stayed this long to 70 years, not just love, where she surround herself with love. Her parents and family members don't recognize, say, yes, she gets a particular disorder, but they not let that thing stop them from loving her.
Yes.
They kept on loving her. Love, this love, like what you always preach, it goes a long way in giving life.
Not just for men and
Just for man and woman love.
I tell you. But we actually salute your courage. We salute your bravery. We salute everything about you. And like within Bettiana talk, now people where they see challenge as one big problem. But you know if you make them in life without challenges.
At all.
You can't. All right, I'm going to need to buy a small break. When we come back, we go do Cocoa of the Day. Not go anywhere.
What's the goal? Yes, my people. Now welcome back and to talk video on top Wazobia television. May I go straight to the point? We don't talk plenty talk. Yes, so we don't talk plenty talk. And I go on because of all the talk where we talk, and I get something where we will talk about where I attack Queen B. Where I talk say I no believe say if person no fit go dey school in brain no dey alright to carry book make kuku comot am. Yes, I want to ask this question. Una believe say education na the examination na the best test of knowledge. As in now via that examination they know say this person get sense, this person get brain, this person get everything.
Knowledge and intelligence are they not two different things? For me, just to talk about this particular one, we get some people where actually they're very, very intelligent to cram encyclopedia.
So
where they say if you give them, say what is ACE talking about, they go feel know what ACE talking about. But say you can't get knowledge of waiting that as in waiting that book all about. It is zero. It's just like when we did school. We just read to pass. We don't read to get knowledge, to understand. We read to pass because you see, say 2 weeks to exam don't start. So you just need to the cram and everything.
You can't freak out. Oh, my notes not complete. To get the bag, you go beg person
you can't there where you said and then they mark notes.
The part where I hate examination. Now when you want to get work. This is their aptitude test. Because aptitude test not be the true test of say you go work for company well.
No, but I think I understand the reason why they do aptitude test.
Why?
Some kind of aptitude test, get one exam where I go for, aptitude test where I go for. No be really mathematics, English. You know what they start with? They keep here. And they say me will come around 1. I came now before 1 I don't reach there. My dear, 3 o'clock they never attend to me. I sit down for them. By the time they're ready, they just carry, because all these communication houses, they just carry paper, say, C3 this year, write essay. Just write, pick anyone, write. I write, finish. Trust me, the next day they call me back.
Psychology.
Yes.
Simple. Now they have to do test,
but you know need to push somebody to the
that is different.
wall.
They're not they push. Thank you. They're not they push anybody to the wall or anything. Most of all these aptitude tests are based on that they test patience, that they test as you want to think out of the box, your creativity. Now different things are away from what you don't actually study for
school. Go for it.
No, I don't go for it.
I like some logical reasoning. I don't go for communication tests before.
Yes,
where they just tell you to type and then they will just want to anger you. You stay for a very long time and then the person will just come vex you. They want to see your reaction. I actually prefer that to say you can't give me maths and English for me to come they type A, B, C is correct.
You know, just like school. No. Anyway, we get sweet from our followers where they talk on top of the matters where they happen for inside here. At Sweet Message J, she said, yes, I agree, say education a test of knowledge, just that everybody gets his or her selling points. Now, that is what you good at best. Another person at Chris_Clement1, instead talk Wazobia. As for me, if my wife pays for my mamati, that one sure say that one are sure delivery say she go leave my house.
Simple.
Well, you know good you send her away without putting a stamp on it.
She go drink that stamp on top.
I tell you.
Maybe she just walk out go quietly.
All right, time Dowish for us to take you Sabisi. So let us test our knowledge right now.
Hey. I tell you, I don't come on Top TV to come disgrace myself. Ask me the one.
In fact, I go Sabi.
That's to tell you, not saying that.
Okay.
Number one, you Sabi say stewardess. Now the longest word where they type with only left hand.
I don't understand.
Steward.
Now the only
that's
word
for typing, but
where you they type with left hand.
All the keys.
left hand.
All the keys.
My left
Where the left dey?
Practical.
My left with this.
Yes, because you know say steward, everything there for this side.
Okay.
So they for the left hand side. So now use steward there.
If I can't decide, so I want to use only one hand.
do like this. Do am no, you na one hand. Now you dey use.
Next.
All right, number 2. You sabi say your foot get 26 bones inside them.
Yes, na biology.
My foot.
For your mind now, you know book where.
Inside is just one leg.
You also sabi say the most common thing wey person dey forget if person dey travel na toothbrush.
Yes. Yes, that one they very, very true.
Oh, like, you must forget toothbrush.
Ordinary just a weekend where I go my cousin place, go spend weekend. I forget my toothbrush.
Your cousin place. Ordinary say me, I dey go my brother house. As in overnight, one day to the other. I very, very hard.
Toothbrush is common. Come on, you go.
And lastly, you sabi say them name Brazil after tree. Brazil actually mean tree.
No, it be like say
it's named after a tree.
What's in
Brazil? What's it mean?
What's in the tree name?
They say it is named after a tree.
What's it be the tree name? Brazil.
Brazil now. Brazil is named after a tree.
Brazil.
Tree
here. Oh. So now the name of this tree, I know you.
So now if you go for aptitude test, if they ask you what is Brazil named after, you just say tree. It's a tree. All right, that's so we be on Talk today. We be our real life issues day. We're gonna meet you tomorrow. We'll be our family day. My name is Siriman Uwi.